Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting new update on how to save your login information on Gmail using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. If you're not logged in yet, sign in with your Google account. Once you're in your inbox, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see three dots which represent the menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. Next, choose the option labeled Passwords and Autofill. This will take you to a new window where you can manage your password settings. Now, it's time to adjust your settings. Click on the Settings option in the Passwords and Autofill section. Here, you'll find an option that says Offer to save passwords and passkeys. Make sure to enable this feature. This allows your browser to prompt you to save your login information whenever you sign in. After that, let's check your saved passwords. Click on Passwords. If you don't see your Gmail information listed there, don't worry. Just click on the Add button to enter your details manually. Now, fill in the required fields. Enter your Gmail address and the corresponding password. Once you've entered all the information, click the Save button to store your login credentials. And there you have it. You've successfully saved your Gmail login information on your PC. Now, the next time you log in, your browser will automatically fill in your details, making it easier and faster for you to access your email. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.